Ryu versus James.
Here we go, rolling the sleeves up. This is farther down the bracket. You're meeting the best of the best the closer you get to the finals. So here, serious mode. James bringing out the big guns right there. Look at that. I don't know if it's an RC drift competition or a bodybuilding competition, but let's go. We're gonna go into this battle of James and Ryu.
Okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1, go!
Ryu out in front, James anticipating his... Oh my goodness! Unsure what happened there.
One yellow card for Mr. Ryu.
Alright. I think Ryu got distracted by James's guns over there right next to him. Refocusing, restarting, and here we go.
Ready? And 3, 2, 1, go!
Ryu out in front. Clean start for both these guys. Look at that. Oh! A little time from James, but they continue. Big angle for both these guys. Look at this. Look at that. Big angle into number 2. Snappy transition from Ryu. But look at this. James keeping the proximity, sacrificing the angle, but putting on a show for you guys. Into number 4. Let's go. Quick transition into number 5. Both of them snapping into a real massive angle, but James still stays in it. Great showing from both these guys right now. Tensions are high, adrenaline is high. We're getting closer to the finals. And this is the Rev D Party International Drift Meeting. We have people from all around the world competing against the Philippines best. So these are the best of the best competing here at Robinson's Galleria, putting on a show for all you guys here today. And once again, this show would not be possible without Rev D providing premium quality RC drifting parts for everyone around the globe, and of course, the local distributor of Rev D, Tatatsu Hobbies, and of course, as I mentioned before, Robinson's Galleria for this awesome menu, and of course, Palgakdo, juiciest grilled chicken from Korea.
A little bit advantage to Mr. Ryu, 0.25. Because the first corner, James, he touched the lead guard. Let's see the second round. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, go!
Right, James out in front. There's a slight advantage to Ryu, so James still has a chance to turn the tables. Big entry once again. Just about gets the whole car in there, but Ryu, good job adjusting to James' entry in the clipping zone number 2. Let's see what happens here. Ryu on the inner line. James just about fills up number 3 into number 4. Ryu losing some proximity, but here we go. Last transition. Let's see how they jump in. Ooh. We will have to see what the judges have to say about that. Here we go. Here's the instant replay for our reviewing purposes.
Replay.
Nice shot for both trying to survive, fight for the podium. So both these drivers have very high skill, so that makes it even tougher for the judges to make a decision. Both of these guys, top drivers in this class, they've made it here all the way to this battle, inching their way to the podium. Here we go, judges still deliberating. lot of suspense right now. I know both drivers just want to know if they won or if they lost.
Okay. It's one more time.
So both drivers are happy with that one last chance. Just another chance to decide a clear winner here. Here we go. As I was saying before, these guys both have high skill levels, so the judges are being very strict. So once again, a reminder to the RC drifters here. Out on the chicane, if the lead car is on the right line, meaning they are not driving on that inner marker on the track. If the lead car is not driving on the inner marker of the track and they are on the right line, chase car, do not go on the inside. Do not go on the inside, do not drive on the marker. Also, don't hit the lead car as much as possible. So once again, if the lead car is doing their job and not driving on that marker, you as a chase car cannot drive on that marker either. So just reiterating, lead and chase, avoid that marker at all costs.
Okay. Let's see the second, one more time run. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, go!
Here we go, one more time for both of these high-skilled drivers. Ryu going on to the main straight. James getting close but keeps it clean. Ryu throws up back into that, fills up the whole clip zone number 1. James has to make an error and a correction there, but he gets back on that door really close, lacking the angle and gaining that proximity into this quick transition. Nice job from James. Quick transition from James. That's Ryu's door across the line, showing just what he can do. So, judges wanted to remind the drifters again, even with, you have the whole track to gain those points. So what happened just now, James showed aggressiveness and greatness near the end of the run, and that was not ignored by the judges. His score increased just at the very end of the track, giving him extra points. So that just goes to show you should never give up until the run is done. So the judges just wanted to reiterate that and just highlight that James, even though he might have committed some errors, that was a big highlight going across the finish line. Good job from James.
The score is 0.25 advantage to Ryu. Okay, let's see the second run. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
James out in front. Let's see what he's gonna do. Is he gonna throw a big entry? Ryu right there, setting himself up to get on the door. Nice job from James. Ryu still on the door. Transition in the flipping zone number 2, exiting into number 3. Nice snappy transition for both these guys. Ryu making up that proximity, Nice quick transition here. Ryu setting himself to jump on the door, but look at that, James, bigger angle across the finish line. Okay, judges scratching their heads. I think they need to see the replay. Just watching the replay. Judges, once again, I don't know what it is with this battle right here against James and Ryu, but it keeps on coming down to the details. That's how close the skills of these drivers are. So Ryu, once again coming from Thailand, and James, one of our local drifters here, putting up a great fight against our international drivers. Once again, we got people from Thailand, Korea, Brunei, Indonesia, Singapore, Dubai, Malaysia, even the USA, all joining us here today. And this whole international event was brought to you by, of course, Rev D, Patatsu Hobbies, Robinson's Galleria for providing this great venue for us, and of course, Palgapto, the juiciest grilled chicken from Korea. Very much deliberation. I don't know if the drivers want to hear it or not, but I know the audience does. We have a clear winner. A landslide decision. One more time! Here we go again. Tensions are even higher. These guys just want to end this battle right now. And here we go, going one more time. Ryu from Thailand and James, one of our local drifters. Here we go. Who's gonna come out on top?
Okay, drifters, ready, and 3, 2, 1, go!
There you go, Ryu off the line. Through the chicane really fast. James taking a cautious approach there. Big angle from Ryu. But look at this, James, door to door, taps Ryu's door. Nice transition, and then clip number 2, door to door. James shadowing him perfectly. Nice transition, number 3. Both of them fill it up completely. Into number 4. Look at this, James is right on the spotter panel. Big flick into number 5. Look at this. Great run for both these guys. Let's go.
Point 25, advantage to Chaser.
Let's go, James. Once again, showing that
Let's
he
see
can be
the
dominant in
second
the chase.
round. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, James out in front through the chicane onto the main straight. Let's see his entry. Ryu right there, anticipating his entry. Nice job for both guys. James going out all the way into clipping zone number. Let's see what happens here. Ryu chasing him down into number 3. Let's see what happens. Wide line from James into number 4. Just about dips 2 tires inside. Nice transition into number 5. But let's see what the judges have to say about this one.
Winner, Ryu!
After a long fought battle, Ryu comes out on